Mr. President, I have the honor to present all the candidates with their corresponding degree who have handily fulfilled all the requirements of the curriculum prescribed thereof.
By the virtue of the power and authority vested in me by the Board of Directors and Trustees of Merida Queen College of Quezon City Incorporated, as the Chief Operating Officer and the Chief Registrar, as witnessed by Dr. Annalyn P. Diaz, Chief Education Supervisor 2, I now make this confirmation that you are now full-fledged graduates in your respective bachelor's degree programs, academic year 2025-2026.
Thank you so much. In addition, may we call on the Program Coordinator, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Mr. Justice Adrian Pisano, to present the candidates of graduation for our COO.
So I present to you the 30 candidate for graduation ESI department. Please
Excited ka.
stand.
Wala pa nga ni.
Thank you so much. To our Chief Operating Officer, they are now ready for your confirmation.
Oh, di ba? So, yeah.
I now make this confirmation that you are now full-fledged graduates in your respective bachelor's degree program, academic year 2025-2026. Congratulations.
Yung babae mong sasabi. O sige, yung tomboy na lang siya.
Tapos na. Baka absent siya.
Wala.
Pati ba yung babae?
Yung babae talaga.
Baka absent siya, ma.
Ayun yan.
Ulit ka na ulit 4 years. 4 years ulit. Ulit, hindi ko na video. Ulit po.
Ulit, sa ba?
Pwede, ulit.
Sa ba? Sa ba? Sa ba,
Thank you
sir?
so much.
Ay, yung babae.
Candidates for graduation moving on to speakers.
Diba? Tapos na nga.
We now move on to proceed with the distribution of diplomas, medals, and recognition of academic excellence awardees.
Yeah.